Alright, I'm making this video for a friend of mine who lives in California. It's not meant to be a professional YouTube video, but do my best. So he asked me how do I put on these Python grips, and how I do it is pretty simple. It may not be how you do it. You may not like how I do it, but it is what it is. So the first thing I do is I get this grip just a little bit over the top of the racket. Helps if it's warm. It is pretty warm today. So I get that straight like that. Take a little WD-40 with the nozzle, and all I'm going to do is stick it down into the grip, and I'm going to spray just a little bit, maybe twice. Flip it over, get on the other side. That's all I did, just 2 quick squirts. And then I just kind of grab it right here around the top, and I let that kind of sink in a little bit by spreading it. And then just kind of let it work its way down. You can see it's moving down already pretty easy. And through some twisting and some coaxing. You don't want to make it too easy by spraying a lot of WD-40, otherwise it'll never dry. It'll take a while to dry. So you're still going to fight with a little bit, but eventually it gets down to the bottom. And what I like to do is I keep on going. Once I get it over the top here, I'm even going to go down a little bit further. And I get it scrunched down enough. And here's what I'm going to take a rag, just dry it up a little bit. Try to get some of that out of there. And then I'm going to take some 3M multi-purpose adhesive. It's nothing special, it just said something I had laying around the garage. Seems to work a little bit. Maybe that's a little too much, but I think that's made for headliners and cars. Just something to let it sit on there. Alright. So then I get the Python all lined up with the grips down here. These guys seem to like it so that it's right around the bottom there. You can see it's on there is a nice straight line to the Python on both sides. Maybe straighten out that a little bit. And then I might take this, pull it back again. Right there. Dry it up a little more. It actually seems pretty dry already. Maybe take a little more adhesive for the top. And then let that settle back down. And the middle feels a little slippery, but it dries. Try to leave it out here in the heat in the garage. Or a lot of times I sit in my car until I meet up with the guy the next day. Or a few days later, but it'll settle in. And that's pretty much it.